Today's recipe is Nutella Brownie. Ingredients: 200 grams icing sugar, 200 grams butter, 4 eggs, 80 grams Milky Chocolate, 120 grams Nutella Chocolate, 80 grams Maida, 40 grams cocoa powder, ½ teaspoon baking powder. Instructions: Step 1. In a bowl, add icing sugar, butter and mix them. Now add eggs in this and mix it again. Step 2. Now add Milky Chocolate, Nutella Chocolate, and mix them well. Step 3. Put Maida, cocoa powder, baking powder in this and mix it. Step 4. Now take a baking mold and apply the above mixture of this, then bake it for 20 to 25 minutes at 180 degrees centigrade. Step 5. Now cut into pieces and apply Nutella chocolate at these pieces. Step 6. Add topping with cream and cherry. Your yummy Nutella brownie is ready to serve.